Hello everyone and welcome to the part 2 video. This is the second video where we are discussing how to process refund in case of fusion expenses. So in the previous video we completed uh, the employee raised the cash advance and it went through to AP and their payment has been done. Now after the trip employee raises the uh, expense report. So the business case what we are discussing right now is uh, advance taken is of 1000 USD, 1000 in the respective currency, and the actual expense done is 800. So the 200 amount has to be returned to the organization, and without any manual hassles it has to be recorded properly in the system. So now I'm creating the expense report. I logged in as an employee. I go to the expense work area. Okay, so we have one cash advance available here. I go to action, create expense report. Create expense line. Okay. Travel template, and let me check which one I should take. Let me take accommodation. I hope there should not be any policy violation. Yeah, okay, it's fine. It's fine, looks like. Okay, so this is the first item line, which is the actual expense. Now let me create another expense line. So the mapping what we have done is what we suggested to our customer, that create one refund line, and in this refund expense item, and this in this refund expense type, and in this expense type put the account, the cash account, where it has to be debited in expense report. So for the refund expense type, the account attached is the cash account. So 200 PHP is the refund what we are processing. So that is it. Submit. Now this will go for approval. Let me check. So I log in as a manager. Yeah, this is the one. You can just check the expense report also. Okay. So 800 is the business expense, 200 is the refund. So I approve this. Then let me log in as auditor. Okay, it has not come yet for to auditor. Let me check what is the status of expense report from employees login. Okay, I think this is the 1000 PHP. Sorry, I was looking for 800 PHP. That's why I was getting confused. So yeah, status is expense auditor pending. Okay, let me check what is the issue. Okay, so it should be there with expense auditor. Let me. So I go to the, yeah, this is the one, 1000 PHP. So let us complete audit. So we can see 800 is the accommodation and 200 is the refund. I click here, received the receipt. Let me click enter this also and say complete audit. So you're done. I go to process the expense reimbursement. Okay, that is it. So it's done. Uh, Let us check the invoice now. Okay, we have the invoice. Let me go to the edit mode. We want to review the distribution, so let me do the validation. Validated, and let us see distributions. We have, so this one is minus 1000. So this will be credited because this is minus 1000. Then we have another item 9. This is the cash account of 200. As it is positive, so it will be debited in the accounting. Then we have third distribution